In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful one-liner that will help you search for specific text across multiple files in your project directory. Whether you're debugging, searching for a specific configuration, or just want to find where a term is used, this command is incredibly useful. Let's break down the command. This command uses grep, a Unix command line utility, to search for the text myapp within your files. Here's what each option means. -I. This makes the search case insensitive, so it will match myapp, snake case myapp, or any other case variation. -R. This option tells grep to search recursively through all directories and subdirectories, so you won't miss any files. -N. This option displays the line number where the match is found, which makes it easier to locate within your file. -W. This makes sure that grep matches whole words only, so it will find myapp, but not my application or other variations. Dot. The dot represents the current directory, meaning grep will start searching from here. -E myapp. This specifies the search pattern, in this case the text myapp. This grep one-liner is efficient, versatile, and saves you tons of time searching through files manually. And if you're working in Kubernetes and need to streamline MySQL access, don't miss our last video where we walk through automating MySQL configuration using a powerful one-liner script. It's a great companion to today's technique,